Hello, my name is Resurrected, R underscore Surrected, and this is a project I've been working on. It's called the Division Database. And so in there's two different modes. There's CCA and OTA. And what you can do is you can go through, check all the divisions, say, oh, I can see all these people are all in these ranks and stuff, and you can go through and it's not just like a display. You can click on them. It's not just a list. You can click on them, see event history. What's this? Let's look at here was someone who got promoted recently. This shows their user ID, their division, their rank, their current rank, any past usernames. It also shows event history. So this person just graduated from the Officer Academy. So that means that they have an event here, which is shown in the timeline, which shows all events, and you can go through and be like, show these or like that. So there's also search, so I could search for the benefactor, or like like that. Um, you also look through command, shows their division, Drive Academy instead of Union, but doesn't really matter. You can go through like, division leader, payday, high payday, and then you can also go to OTA and go through, all these tier ones. Look at these. Edvin just got OTA before I started logging. Um, there's also command. There's only one problem with OTA command is that the method I'm using to scrape the roles doesn't show that they're in like a variant, and I can't get their variant from that, so I can't display it. So it just shows them all here. And also another feature is usernames. And so right now I have it on the setting where it's just showing their original username, not their new username. But I don't know if it should be a updated username, or like if it should show the updated username at all times and only show the old one in the past usernames, because this person just changed their username. I don't know yet. This is still in development. I just recently completed all this, and the next steps I need to take are actually hosting it somewhere, because right now I'm just hosting on a local server on my computer, just a local host thing. So my next thing is to get it on somewhere, and then people can use it for whatever reason. I don't necessarily see if, or I don't think that this is privacy invading in any way, because all of this stuff I got from public. I got this all from the groups. I got all of this from the jury, Spear, Razor, Officer Academy groups, and then this is compiled from all the other groups. And then this is all from the OTA group. So this is all public knowledge stuff. You can go through and go to or each person's profile. You can go to all of their profiles and say, oh, this is their avatar. You can find their user ID. You can find what division they're in. You can find their rank, and you can find all their past usernames. So this is all stuff that's all publicly available. So I don't see any privacy risks. It's more of just a collection of information rather than it being all spread out. So there's like kind of a privacy risk, but I don't think that there's much of an argument with that, because you can all just get this normally. But this is the Division database. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comments. Um, this is a cool tool that I have just been nerding over for a bit. And if you have any ideas, any suggestions, any problems you see with it, DM me or put in the comments or anything. I don't know. Um, but I'll probably make this like a public thing. I'll probably host it through like GitHub or something, just so it's free, because I don't want to have to pay money for this. Um, and it'll just be hosted on GitHub, and I'll have a computer that uploads the updated timelines to the GitHub, so it works.